Greetings of the day, class. Today we'll try to learn how to use do while loop. We have in previous session I have demonstrated the use of while loop. Now we are going to use do while loop. For the problem already discussed in my previous lecture, that we want to print 1 to 100 using do while loop. So let's save as. I'm going to save as this file with a new name. So I'm writing do while.c. So we are going to demonstrate do while. So let's see. We want to print 1 to 100. So let's go ahead with this backspace. So in place of while we'll have do. As name suggests, do while. Do will be the first statement of loop. Then this is the beginning of the statement. And we all know that in case of do while also we need to initialize the terminating variable before the loop. So we have taken I equals to 1, means now the value of I is 1 after this statement. And then we want to print the value of I to get 1 to 100. So what it will do, let's see. So printf statement is very simple. It is going to print something here. And what is the value of d will be, %d will be here. It is the value of I. Initially that value of I is 1. And then after every I plus plus, the value of I will grow by 1 number, right? So if it is 1 as of now, then it will, first time it will be 2, then 3 up to 100, right? So let's see. After the end of the statement here, do is the beginning, then y will be ending. What is the value should be? While I is less than equal to 100. Let's execute it. Alt F9. There is some problem. Okay. What is the problem? The problem is very, very simple, that this while should be ended here. So Alt F9 to compile, Control F9 to execute. Now you are able to see, but you must be seeing that we are having output, double output. This is nothing but the lack of clear screen function, that is CLR, SCR and function bracket. So Alt F9, Control F9. So now you can see I have printed the same output, or I have solved the same problem, that is to print 1 to 100 using do while loop. So now you can clearly have a difference between while and do while loop. If I need to do it we need to do it like while, so I can write while and then inside bracket I need to write I less than equal to 100. This is the condition, or you can say this statement can be replaced by do. So मैंने replace कर दिया, and this while statement will be comment here. So if I make this as a comment, so if I want to make it while loop, then this do will not be there. In place of do, we will be writing this, and this statement will be deleted from here. This is the slight difference between while and do while as a syntax. The rest is same. So now I hope you are able to understand the use of do while loop.